Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna create this look right here. So it's a purple half cut crease makeup look. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. But before starting this video, don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button, and beside the subscribe button there's a bell icon. So don't forget to hit on that bell icon as well, so that you'll always get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So now let's get started with the video. So I'm starting with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer. It's the matte one. So I'm just going to apply it all over my face. This gives a very beautiful mattifying look. Then for foundation, I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. And I'm just going to apply it all over my face first with a spatula. And then just going to blend it out with a sponge. The sponge which I'm using is from Colorbar, which I have recently purchased. So I'm trying it for the first time and it's a pretty good sponge. I personally love this. Then for concealer, I'm using Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer, and I'm going to mix two shades. One is a bit dark and one is the light. So I'm going to mix the two and apply it under my eyes, bridge of my nose, and also on my eyelid. And then just going to blend it out with a sponge. Then I'm using this Blue Heaven Sapphire Loose Powder, and I'm just going to set my under eyes. I'm not baking, I'm just setting my under eyes with it. And also my entire face with the same loose powder. Next, I'm taking this ADS contouring palette and taking that dark brown shade. I'm just going to contour my cheeks with it. My jawline as well. And also my nose. I'm using a smaller angular brush to contour my nose. Next, I'm using this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush. It's such a gorgeous shade. It's in the shade Mellow Wine, and I'm just going to apply it on my cheeks. Then for eyebrow, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Eyebrow Palette, and I'm taking that dark brown shade and just going to fill in my brows with it. Then I'm using this Beauty Glaze Color Studio eyeshadow palette and taking that purple shade and just going to apply it in my crease. Then taking that dark purple shade, I'm just going to apply it on my outer corners in a V shape. I'm just concentrating it on my outer corners. Then again taking the same purple shade, I'm just going to apply it in my crease to deepen it up. Then taking that two shades, I'm just going to apply it in my crease. Like I'm just blending out my crease so there's no harsh lines. Then again using the same purple shade and just deepening up my crease a bit. Because of the blending, it just got a little bit less. And then I'm cutting my crease, so I'm just going to apply a little bit of concealer on my eyelid and then just look up, and the concealer will transfer it to your eyelid, and that's where you have to cut the crease. So I'm just basically cutting the crease. I'm doing like a half cut crease, not a full cut crease. And then taking that purple shade and a light pink shade, I'm gonna mix the two and apply it all over my eyelid. Because I want like a light purple shade. Then again taking the same dark purple shade, I'm just going to apply it on my outer corners to blend the edges. So there's no harsh lines or edges. Then taking that purple shade, I'm just going to apply it on my lower lashes. Then I'm using this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadows and I'm going to use it as a liner. So I'm using it on a eyeliner brush and I'm just going to apply it directly where I have cut the crease. You can like I'm doing right here, and let it dry for couple of minutes and then do the next thing. Then for highlighter, I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and I'm just going to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone with it. Then for mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. It's a very beautiful mascara. It just adds a lot of volume and also it adds a beautiful amount of length. So I really like this mascara. So I'm just going to apply it onto my top lashes and also onto my lower lashes. Then again using the same Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, I'm just going to apply it on my cheekbones. Also above my eyebrows. Then bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, cupid's bow and chin. Then for lipstick, I'm using this Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. It's in the shade 14. I'm just going to apply it all over my lips. It's a very beautiful nude shade, so it just goes well with the look. And yep, that's it. And yeah, that's it with the video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, then please hit on that like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos like this. And beside the subscribe button, there's a bell icon. So don't forget to hit on that bell icon as well, so that you'll always get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So that's it. Bye-bye. See you in my next one.